Woofy, good boy. Cheers.
We're all lit up, babe.
Yay. Woofy, come on. They look magical, huh? I'm walking all jerky. I need one of those stabilizers that Hollywood has for the camera. Oh, look at that star pattern of the light. That is so cute. Daddy made those benches today. Let me pause a minute so it can focus on you. Wave to the camera, sweetheart. Remember when we heard the church bells today when we were here?
Yeah.
I'm going to take advantage of my bench by putting my wine glass on it. Let's see. Ta-da! And there's the lovebirds bench he made for two. Oh, there's a wolf in the spotlight. And it continues, folks, way down the hill. Walking, walking. Bookie's checking out something at the starlight. And here we go down, looking back up where we've come from. The benches. Looks amazing. Again, starlight. Starlight, star bright. Little light changing one. Let's see, from here it gets a little tricky. You have to come down. There's one more light there. From there, it's 48 steps to where you can get down to the water. Oh, yes, and we slipped a little bit. But it's all soft and easy.
Wow, listen to the fish.
Sounds like birds. You heard jumping?